Protests have erupted in Patna, Delhi as well as in Chennai over Gujarat High Court's order on Rahul Gandhi. The Gujarat High Court's order where it does not give relief to Rahul Gandhi. We see protests that have just erupted in Chennai, in Patna as well as in New Delhi. This comes, of course, after the setback that Rahul Gandhi received. What we know is that Rahul Gandhi, who was convicted by court and sentenced to prison for 2 years in Gujarat on March 23rd for his speech during the 2019 Lok Sabha campaign, the Gujarat High Court, it appears, has not given him relief. Let me quickly cut across to Aditya joining us from Patna. Aditya, tell us a little more on the Congress workers now launching a protest. We are seeing some of the visuals coming in from Chennai. Yeah, go on.
Well, exactly, Nabila. As far as Bihar Congress is concerned, you can clearly see in the visuals that the workers of Bihar Congress have assembled here at Income Tax Roundabout, and they are led by Shakil Ahmed Khan, who is the leader of the Congress party delegation in Bihar Assembly. And you can clearly see in the visuals that effigies have been burnt and also large-scale protest has been conducted. We'll try to talk to some local congressmen and try to understand what their entire protest is about. किस बात का विरोध कर रहे हैं?
पूरा देश गुजरात हाई कोर्ट से श्री राहुल गांधी जी की याचिका खारिज होने के बाद दुखी और मर्माहत है कि एक जननेता को किस प्रकार से गुजरात सरकार द्वारा केस को मजबूत करके, झूठे केस को मजबूत करके फंसाया जा रहा है। न्यायालय पे मुझे भरोसा है, उच्चतम न्यायालय के खिलाफ हम सर्वोच्च न्यायालय जाएंगे। राहुल गांधी को न्याय मिलेगा क्योंकि राहुल गांधी जनता के साथ है और जनता राहुल गांधी जी के साथ है। इसीलिए हम कह रहे हैं राहुल गांधी संघर्ष करो, देश तुम्हारे साथ है। राहुल गांधी जी ने ठाना है देश को बचाना है।
So you can clearly see in the visuals, Nabila, that the party workers out here are clearly irate after the ruling has come, but then they are actually avoiding to make strong statements against the court, but then they are holding it right that they are actually getting the entire legal standing evaluated and they'll take the entire case to a superior court. Nabila.
You're in Patna at the moment. I should tell our viewers that there is protest also happening simultaneously even in the national capital Delhi as well as in Chennai. We know that the Gujarat High Court now has refused to grant a stay on Rahul Gandhi's conviction. 2 years jail term that was announced in a criminal defamation case, resulting in the loss of his parliament membership as well. Mashmi joining us for more, who tracks the Congress for us. Mashmi, please give us an understanding on the Congress's next action. As we know, this has come as a big setback for Rahul Gandhi and team. The Congress says that they will take it further, but what are the legal options do they have at this point?
Before we discuss the legal options, Nabila, you can see that in the ambience, there's a lot of sloganeering that's happening here, and youth Congress workers here holding flags of the Congress party with the picture of Rahul Gandhi right there. This is the AICC headquarters that you're seeing. Slogans and a lot of support pouring in for Rahul Gandhi there. Srinivas is right here, and Srinivas, this is a long legal battle. आप लोग इस लड़ाई को आगे कैसे ले जाएंगे? क्योंकि एक तरफ तो लीगल लड़ाई है, दूसरी तरफ पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई है।
नहीं, जो कानून तौर पे जो लड़ाई लड़ना है तो वो हम लड़ाई लड़ेंगे, जारी रखेंगे। और सड़क में भी जो बेरोजगारी है, जो करप्शन है, जो अभी मध्य प्रदेश में 50% हुआ, मूर्ति को लेके जो करप्शन हुआ है, तो उसको लेके लड़ाई लड़ेंगे।
राहुल गांधी संसद के बाहर है, क्या इसको मुद्दा बनाएंगे?
देखिए, पूरा देश का जनता राहुल जी के साथ खड़ा है। हम सारे कार्यकर्ता है, उनके कार्यकर्ता है, हम भी उनके साथ खड़ा है, साथ में खड़ा है और लड़ाई लड़ने का काम करेंगे। उस पर कोई ये नहीं है। जब राहुल जी के इन लोग ने भारत जोड़ो यात्रा के बाद राहुल जी के ऊपर इतना डर हो गया, तो क्या क्या ये सारी एपिसोड क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, जो पार्लियामेंट में जो 20,000 करोड़ आते ही ये सारी डिस्क्वालीफाई से लेके हर चीज हुआ, तो ये देश का जनता भी सारे एक एक चीज को नजर से देख रहा है। जो बदला लेगा तो कर्नाटक में इनको सबक सिखाया, इतनी बड़ी झटका लगा, तब भी इनको अकल नहीं आ रहा है। अभी आने वाला 5 राज्य है, वहां का जनता इनको सही सबक सिखा देगा।
आप लोग के लिए झटका है क्या कि राहुल गांधी बाहर रहेंगे? अभी तो राहत नहीं मिली है हाई कोर्ट से।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में उम्मीद है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में यही मैंने बोला, कानून तौर पे हमने लड़ाई लड़ने का काम हम करेंगे। तो वो लोग पहले करप्शन के बारे में बात कर रहा है, तो आज छत्तीसगढ़ में जो भी करप्शन को लेके बात किया, मध्य प्रदेश में 70,000 करोड़ का बात किया एनसीपी को लेके, 4 दिन के बाद एनसीपी को आपके अंदर ही मिला लिया है। तो सफाई वही से स्टार्ट हुए, मध्य प्रदेश है, इनका सारे रूलिंग स्टेट है।
So here you are, they are saying that they'll respond politically, and you know कितने राहुल रोकोगे, हिंदुस्तान राहुल गांधी है, such kind of slogans there, you know, because public support and emotional card is what the Congress is banking on in this legal fight to amplify its support as far as, you know, the upcoming Lok Sabha elections and the persona and personality of Rahul Gandhi is concerned, Nabila.
You know, looking at this issue legally, there have been cases like this in the past that have been dealt with quite differently. Rahul, with the Gujarat court not granting him any relief for refusing to issue a stay, this is possibly the harshest punishment for a member of parliament that we've seen in recent times.
Repeat your question, please.
Mashmi.
A lot of noise here.
Mashmi, if you can hear me. All right,
Could you
I'm
please
going to
repeat
quickly...
your question? There's a lot of noise here. I'm sorry.
Mashmi, stay with us. I'm going to quickly cut across to Shilpa, who's also joining us from Chennai. In fact, protests have also erupted in Chennai even as we speak. Shilpa, bring us some of those visuals there and get us voices. We want to hear from the people of the Congress there. What exactly do they want? It's now an issue, a matter in court. The court will deal with it. A protest is not going to solve this or fast-track this.
Well, yes, Nabila, we are currently reporting from outside the Chennai Egmore railway station. That is where the Congress party leaders, the Tamil Nadu unit, of course, is staging a protest against the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi. They are, of course, expressing disappointment with respect to the order that has come in from the Gujarat High Court, dismissing the Rahul Gandhi's appeal, which means that he will continue to be a disqualified member of the Lok Sabha. And the Congress here, of course, is protesting, saying that the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi reflects the anti-democratic and fascist tendencies of the BJP government. The initial idea was, of course, to do a rail roko, but the police, of course, have stopped the Congress leaders from entering the railway station, and they are currently, raising slogans, and they are currently being taken into preventive custody. I'm just going to try and of course, is the Tamil Nadu Congress chief K.S. Alagiri. He's being now taken into the police bus because they've been raising slogans against the BJP government. Several cadres of the Congress party have gathered here demanding justice, and now, of course, the Congress will approach the Supreme Court. We are expecting a briefing to take place in New Delhi in some time from now regarding what is going to be the Congress's future course of action as far as Rahul Gandhi's disqualification is concerned. But nevertheless, protests are breaking out across the country. Several state units of the Congress party now extending support and solidarity to their leader, and also slamming the BJP government for what they call is a political witch hunt and a deliberate attempt to silence the voice of opposition in the country.
Bring us some voices. Could you speak to some of those protesters there? We want to hear their emotion.
Well, yes, Nabila, at this point, all of them are being taken into the police van. That is the reason why we are finding it a little difficult to speak to them. But the slogans that they were raising, of course, was against the BJP government at the center, saying that it is political witch hunt by the BJP. And they, of course, trying to say that
We're going to quickly cut across to Mashmi. These are visuals coming in from Chennai. Mashmi is also joining us right from the national capital. Mashmi, over to you if you are with us and could hear me now. Yeah, go on, please bring us voices. We see people right behind you. What's the Congress's sentiment? A protest is not going to resolve the matter. The matter is now in court. And we also see very closely that this is possibly the harshest punishment given to a member of parliament in recent times for a comment that he's made.
Rahul Gandhi! So, Nabila, it's clear if you see that earlier the courts, when they pronounced the verdict and refused to stay the entire conviction, we never saw such crowd at the Congress office. Because earlier I saw that the lower courts, when they in fact stayed the conviction, it was actually completely deserted. But Congress, in fact, so the Congress, in fact, they're not stopping their slogans. Of course, the Congress workers are quite agitated about the way the verdict has come about. And Anil Chaudhary and Avinash Pandey both are joining us, and we'll try and take their Deepak Babaria, sorry for that, sir, joining us, and we'll take their reaction. Deepak साहब, किस तरह से आप देखते हैं, क्योंकि क्या राज्य इकाइयां भी प्रोटेस्ट करेंगी? हम इस बार ही देख रहे हैं कि तमाम कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता बाहर हैं।
राहुल गांधी जी ने ये देश के गरीबों की आवाज बन रहे हैं। ये देश के जो है नफरतवादी जितनी भी ताकत है उसके सामने वो मोहब्बत की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। वो ये देश के गरीब SC ST के लोगों के लिए लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। ये देश के मजदूरों और किसानों के लिए लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। और ये देश के हर युवा और महिला के अधिकारों के लिए भी जो लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं, उसको रोकने के लिए ये सोची समझी साजिश के तहत पूरे हिंदुस्तान में ये प्रक्रिया चल रही है। उनको रोकने की कोशिश हो रही है और आवाज को रोकने की जो कोशिश हो रही है उसका डट के विरोध किया जाएगा। उसके सामने बड़ा संघर्ष होगा।
तो एक तो कोर्ट में लड़ाई लड़ी जा रही है, तो क्या सड़क पर भी अब आप लोग उतरने वाले हैं इसको लेकर?
उसके लिए जो प्रकार की लड़ाई लड़ना है वो तो राहुल जी लड़ रहे हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी लड़ रही है और आगे भी उसको और तेज करेंगे। वो सोचते हैं कि ये इनके इस प्रकार के कदमों से कांग्रेस पार्टी काउ डाउन हो जाएंगी, राहुल जी डर जाएंगे। मैं समझ रहा हूं कि they are living in fool's paradise.
So he's been assigned the charge of Delhi, and of course Anil Chaudhary is also joining us. Anil, how do you see this entirely panning out in Delhi especially?
देखिए, केवल ये दिल्ली की बात नहीं, ये मुद्दा पूरे देश के लिए है। और मुद्दा इसलिए है कि राहुल जी, याद होगा, आप लगातार इस मुल्क के इस तानाशाही शासक से सवाल पूछते हैं कि ये मुल्क देश के लोगों के लिए चलेगा, लोगों से चलेगा या चंद उद्योगपतियों से चलेगा। लेकिन विडंबना है कि इस देश का जो शासक है वो मात्र चंद अपने मित्रों के लिए इस मुल्क के अंदर नीतियां लेकर के आते हैं। वो नीतियां जन विरोधी, किसान विरोधी, युवा विरोधी, रोजगार विरोधी है। तो स्वाभाविक राहुल गांधी आवाज उठाएंगे। तो आज बेशक से मैं कह सकता हूं ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण फैसला है। कोर्ट पर मैं टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन राहुल गांधी की आज आवाज को दबाने की जो प्रयास किए जाएंगे वो प्रयास में ये कभी सफल नहीं होंगे, क्योंकि ये लड़ाई राहुल गांधी की नहीं है, ये लड़ाई कांग्रेस की नहीं है। लड़ाई इस मुल्क के उन लोगों की है जो इस सरकार से संतुष्ट नहीं है, और वो वर्ग राहुल गांधी को अपना प्रिय नेता, अपना बेटा और अपनी आवाज समझते हैं।
Nabila, clearly the Congress calling it state units from Delhi, Haryana and all the neighboring states to in fact pour in terms of support for Rahul Gandhi.
Well, this is what we've seen right from the start. A complaint against Rahul Gandhi of any kind. We see the entire machinery of the Congress out on the streets protesting, calling this injustice. Well, the matter is now in court. And what's important to note here is that the court, while also hearing the case, has also observed existing 10 other additional defamation complaints against Rahul Gandhi and refuses to stay his conviction.